What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today my Yamaha FZ is looking a little, well, let's just say it's seen better days. The road grime and chain gunk are taking over. So instead of a boring ride today, we're doing a full pressure washing at home. I'm going to show you my secret routine to get that showroom shine and a butter smooth chain. Let's get to work. First rule of bike washing: never spray water on a boiling hot engine. Let it cool down first. I'm starting with a gentle rinse to get the heavy mud off. Now, look at this foam. I love using a thick soap because it lifts the dirt without me having to scrub too hard and risk scratching the paint. Let it sit for a minute, then work it in with a soft mitt. And we are done. Look at that reflection. It's like a mirror. No more squeaks, no more dirt, just pure performance. Total cost? Almost nothing. Total satisfaction? 100%. If you enjoyed this transformation, make sure to smash that like button and let me know in the comments what bike you're riding. Until next time, ride hard and stay safe. Peace.